Nikko is awesome. Definitely one of the coolest places I've ever been to. The entire city was covered in fog the whole time I was there. Walking around that place felt like I was in a horror movie. It was one of the few places where I was okay with not having sunny weather. The next day I did more walking around, but this time it was mostly spent in the forest finding temples and waterfalls.
Nice! So apparently, as I was told by some guy passing me, that if you can throw a stone and you only get 3 tries through the hole in the torii gate, then it's good luck. So I'm gonna try, but keep in mind I'm holding a phone in the other hand, so that's my excuse. Close. Not close. Well, I mean, it did bounce back, so I guess that means a 4th try. Oh, just underneath it. What the fuck? Come on. Oh, look, it bounced back. Okay. 5th try. Come on, this one's the money shot. Do it from the side. Oh, you twat. Alright, bad luck for me. Travel advice. Suck it up and deal with the rain, because chances are not too many other people are. And then you just get stuff like this pretty much to yourself. It's quite nice.
I wish I could have stayed in Nikko a little bit longer because that place was really cool. But I had to keep moving. Next destination was Nagano.